as we enter the eye of the storm.
The belly of the beast. The sea was angry that day, my friends.
Like an old man trying to send back soup in a deli.
What the fuck is going on? Watch your language. Is that dust?
We are now entering Storm Chasers. People seem to be pulling over,
Holy
frightened,
shit.
and we cannot see a thing. Yet we continue to drive. We would like to see what's going to happen, but a lot of people are not interested in what we're interested in.
I love you, Rob.
Everyone is pulling over. I love you too, Pat.
What is going on over there?
This is our last day together.
Oh, it's all kicking up from the
It was all worth it.
All right, we're out of it.
Storm's over, everybody.